Today, we're going to show you guys a few techniques on how to take your massages to the next level. Upgrade your massage for a targeted CBD add-on or full body experience. Therapeutic benefits include reducing inflammation, post-workout muscle tension relief, stress relief, pain relief, a better night's sleep, and nourishing your skin. For preparation, we're going to need 1 to 3 hot towels and 2 ounces of pre-measured Well CBD cream or oil, and then 1 dry towel. Start out warming up the shoulders and neck with a hot towel, doing alternating shoulder presses. Effleurage starting at the pectorals around the shoulders and move up all the way to the occipital ridge and hold, allowing the neck to decompress. Do this 3 times. Next, do a levator stretch and have your client take 3 deep breaths as you hold this stretch. Release the stretch and do a relieving squeeze for the trap and hold, allowing it to release. To end, take a rolled up hot towel and place it under the occipital ridge. Put a little amount of cream on the tips of your 2 fingers and massage it into the temples and transition into a relaxing scalp massage. Make sure the drape allows for the lower glute to be accessed. Place the hot towel on the lower glute, warming up the muscles with some fist compressions. Locate the piriformis muscle. Using a fist or elbow, depending on the level of pressure your client desires, hold the piriformis. With the other hand, hold the top of the foot and bend the knee at a 90-degree angle. Bring the foot towards the opposite leg and then slowly rotate the foot towards you. This creates an active release. Do this a few times until you feel the muscle release. Ease up pressure slowly from the upper hand and rotate the knee in a clockwise motion and then counterclockwise. Slowly shake the foot down and let it rest. Begin with a hot towel on the back and cat's paw up and down along the spine, stopping for a moment to hold a sacrum stretch for a few breaths. Spread the oil on the back using effleurage movements. Then run both hands down one side of the back so you're standing on one side facing the client. Take both forearms in the middle of the back, right under the ribcage. Using the lower arm, slowly begin to glide it towards the sacrum while simultaneously gliding the upper arm towards the neck, stopping the lower arm right at the QL and the upper arm on the lower trapezius. This will create a great stretch, as well as release common trouble areas. Do this a few times. Wrap one foot with a hot towel and do some gentle stretches. Rotate the ankle and warm up the foot. Using the thumbs, start at the bottom of the foot. Move up in the middle and spread out like a fan as you move up towards the toes. Release and do this again. This is great for someone experiencing plantar fasciitis symptoms. Hold one hand under the ankle and the other hand on top of the foot and do a gentle pull to release the hip. Continue those therapeutic pain relieving benefits with an at-home salve, cream, oil, or bath soak. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed learning some of these techniques. If you have a few techniques that you'd like to mention, go ahead and mention them down in the comments. I'd love to hear them. If you like this type of content and you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, live well, love always, and spa often. Catch you next time.